Hey guys, and welcome to today's video using the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette. So first thing is first, I'm priming my lids with the Lorac Behind the Scenes primer, and I'm just going to blend that all out now in a minute as well, just like get them eyeshadows sticking properly to the lid and the brow bone and underneath the lower lash line as well. I'm using my ring finger to do that as well. As with an angled blending brush, I am taking PB&J, and I'm just applying that to my lid and my crease to make it easier to blend out the shades later on. And then with a Sigma E40 brush, I am taking Spread the Love, and I'm blending that into my crease and my brow bone. It does look like there's little shimmers in the shadow, but they come up matte when you apply it to your crease, so don't worry if you're hooded, because it doesn't show. I'm then going in with peanut butter on a Spectrum CO6 brush. I'm going to blend that out using windshield wiper motions and circular motions. And then with a BO6 brush, I am taking This About You, and I'm applying that deeper into my outer V and in my crease as well. I'm then taking a packing brush by Morphe, and I am using bananas. Yeah, bananas, and applying that all over my lid. But I was finding that it wasn't that pigmented, so I went in with my Kat Von D Lock-It setting spray, and I wet my brush, and then I reapplied it again. Then with Peanut Brittle, I'm going in with a large shader brush, and I'm applying this to the center of my lid, and I'm blending it into bananas as well. And then with an Spectrum A2 brush, I'm taking Peanut Butter Cup, and I'm applying that to my outer V as well, just for a bit of definition. And then I'm just blending it out lightly. Then applying Peanut Butter Cup under my lower lash line and blending it out as well. And then with a bit of Nuts About You, I'm just blending that out over just to give it a nice bit of blend. And with with a bit of peanut butter as well. Then with Becca's Champagne Pop, I'm just applying that to my inner corner as my highlight. And with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, I'm just going to apply a wing. And then I'm taking my Grand Entrance Mascara by Elizabeth Arden. I'm just applying that to my upper and lower lash line. Or lashes, should I say. And here is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Bye guys.